Hello class. This video is to show you how to access modules that are past due that you can no longer get to from here. So for example, module 2 is due, and if I try and access it here, it's going to give me this message that says it's past due. But let's say that I'm interested in reviewing the material that was in module 2 and I want to look at it. I do have the ability to do that. So what you'll do instead is find your MyLab course materials. And select your courseware. Go to your Access Courseware. A few more clicks here. Open MyLab and Mastering. And then when you want to go to your student gradebook. So on this here, this is just Pearson maintaining. It's not your Cowley gradebook. However, it does give you the option to review. So what you'll want to make sure you select is not just the past 2 weeks, but the entire course to date and all assignments. And then any module that you previously entered and at least looked at should give you an option to review. So let's say that I want to review module 1, for example. So I'm just going to click this review, and it gives me a message here, tells me you're reviewing. It's not going to change your score, but you can look at the textbook and the videos again. You can revisit the questions. Like if I want to take a look at this question. Okay, so and then you've got a link that'll take you to the textbook as well down here pertaining to this concept. It won't let you change it. So if I drag this in here, I won't be able to check whether I got the correct solution. However, on a question, like for instance, this one here, what does it mean when an observational study is retrospective versus prospective? And in this case, studies conducted to determine if the relationship between brain cancer and use of cell phones. Doctors ask patients with brain cancer about their use of cell phones. Well, right away, I'm thinking that's certainly not an experiment. That would just be observational. And if you want to see and you're not remembering that, again, you've got the links to the textbook relevant material, and you've got view an example in a lot of cases where they will flat out give you a similar question and explain what the answer is to that question and why. So that's helpful. But at least the review gives you access to the material. Now, if you did complete the assignment and you review, it's going to show the answer you selected. And if you selected the correct answer, it'll be a green check mark. And if you selected the incorrect answer, it'll maintain a red X. So that's a way to get to the material. You can still look into it and see what you missed, what you made, and you can explore why you missed it. So hopefully that's helpful in terms of wanting to review. That's all for now. Take care.